Hey, Chris Matthew here. I started working on a quick proof of concept today for the Magic Markers Magicverse IPL proposal. It's basically a decentralized app. It's a browser-based app right now, uses IPFS and the ArbitDB CRD to sync points across maps. It's using Mapbox, which also runs on Unity and Magic Leap 1. I'll show you that in a second. But the idea is that you've got this global map. It opens up with the plantation headquarters as the center. You can you can run this so that it automatically syncs up with other browsers. So on the right side, I have an incognito browser. Left side, my other browser. You can see they're both looking at the same target. If I drop a pin, say in this little lake here, you'll see it syncs up here instantaneously, basically over IPFS and ArbitDB. I'll drop another one just for fun, maybe in this circle, or square. There we go. You see them on both sides. So that's pretty cool. It has the ability to fly into your current location. So this should bring me out to Ahwatukee here by the mountain where I live. And if I do this one as well, yes, let me allow my location. You'll see that it allows me to drop a pin, anywhere in the world, and it syncs in real time. Let me drop one at this water plant here. So that's kind of cool. The idea is that you'll soon be able to attach media, like IPFS-based media, so that'll also be decentralized, whether they're videos or graffiti or messages. Ideally, you could also associate permissions with that. So you could say, everyone can see this. Maybe everyone can see this only once or more than once. You could maybe even say only if this app is open and they have permission. So this could be kind of cool, like an actual Magic Leap application, is running that's location aware, and then Magic Markers could say, hey, you have some content at this location, almost like if this then that, but like if here then do this. So that computation for if here then do this would obviously run on top of computes. So you could say if you're in the vicinity of this pin, and if the permissions match, and if you're in that app, if that's a requirement, then run this computation. Could be some AI, could be an IoT event, that maybe triggers your lights or something like that, and fires that off. So ideally, you'll be wearing your Magic Leap glasses or a mobile device, like an XR mobile device, and you'll have access to the same Magic Markers content. So here's what I was showing you earlier. Mapbox released an AR set of tools that run on ARKit, I believe ARCore, more importantly Unity. So they bring maps to Unity, and even more importantly than that, they're calling it Magic Maps, but Mapbox for Unity for Magic Leap 1. So, and I have tested this out. I am able to run this terrain demo on my Magic Leap 1. So ideally, that'll be a next phase of this, is that you should be able to run the same street views like this in the Magic Leap 1, and then with some GPS or proximity beaconing, like in some of my other videos, then it would trigger the computation, if here, then do this event for you, and show you maybe this video or content via IPFS, decentralized fashion. So there is no back end to this application. It's all just a single static browser app at the moment, all powered by IPFS and ArbitDB to create this real-time decentralized syncing effect. So that was about a day, almost a day worth of work, and kind of fascinated where this could go from here.